What is going on, guys? We are outside in Dallas, and we are heading out to Diane because I need a new face mask. She needs a new leg bag, and he wants a face mask. What's he doing? But yeah, heading out to Diane Dallas. We got a meet later with Mez Rafa. It's like some type of Halloween meet. Apparently you could dress up for it. I'm not dressing up because I'm a real rider, brother. But let's head out to Diane while there's still traffic. It's gonna be kind of a slow ride there just because there's so much traffic. Oh yeah, heading out. ABS failure because we deleted ABS. Forgot to clean my visor. Amazing. I love having a dirty visor. It's so good to not be able to see clearly. So amazing. I love this highway so much. Yeah, heading out to Diane Dallas, pick up a few things, and then heading out to Rafa's meet right after. And I think we're gonna hit the tunnels in between this because we've yet to hit the tunnels at the speeds that we wanted to take them at, which is the speed limit, because that's what we follow, is the street laws, brother. It's very illegal to go fast, so we try not to do that type of thing. Yo, his license plate thing says, all right, go a little slower for me. His license plate said pirate of the car I be in. The meet should be pretty good tonight. This is like the first official meet of like Dallas, so meet should be pretty good. Bunch of people that you know popping out to that meet. Obviously Ghost X Quiet tomorrow should be one of the biggest meets we've ever been to, if not the biggest meet. Oh, I stalled. What a nerd, bro. You didn't see you didn't see Pretend like you're blind. I mean, you are, but like pretend like you're blind. You're gonna turn? You got this, buddy. I believe in you. You got this. Yep, good job. Yep. I think we're hopping on this highway. Had to hit him with another flyby. Had to give him a taste of his own medicine for scaring the shit out of me, brother. Used Bikes Direct. It's a shame we couldn't host that Used Bikes Direct this year. Damn, hella people out there. Man, people are driving so slow today, dude. Come on. Okay. Okay. I see you, Speed Demon. Yo, there's this hot girl in front of me. Oh my god. Bro, she broke her neck so fast. Wow, dude. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, my exhaust on the fire blade looks a little bit loose. It's like flapping back and forth. Oh, who's she looking at? Yeah, I think she's trying to flirt with me, y'all. I don't know. I think she is. Oh, she's looking me up and down, dude. I think she wants to fight. I think she wants to fight. I told myself I wouldn't go fast. I told myself that. The problem is, I always lie to myself. That's the problem. I'm a huge liar. Riding without traction is such a different feeling, bro. The wheel just pops up 24/7. It's just, oh my gosh. Okay, Speed Demon. How about it? Take the lead. Take the lead, Speed Demon. Go ahead. feels so good to be out in Dallas, though. I'm gonna say this in every video. It feels so good to be out in Dallas. It's so warm here. It's so sunny. The weather cannot be more perfect. It's just like, oh my god. And then nighttime hits. You could go out in a t-shirt. It's honestly the best. It's honestly the best. Way better than the Northeast. I'll tell you that much. Way better than the Northeast. Look at Dallas. Oh my lord. She's a little speed demon on that thing. Guys, please blow up her DMs and tell her to buy that bike off me. Please tell her to buy it off me. Tell her to buy it off me, please. I want to get rid of it. Oh, heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up. Hard braking. So happy lane splitting is legal in California, dude. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful city, dude. It looks way better at night. But honestly, look at that little Dr. Doofenshmirtz triangle building right there. Oh my god, the pops on this bike. God. Oh, I wonder who's at Diane right now. Hopefully some of the boys. But I doubt it. Most people got work. Most people actually work yeah. It's a very scary word to say. Say it for me. Can you sound it out for me? Am I doing good? I don't know what one of those is. JK. Oh yeah. Flying, brother. They were catching up to us. But we followed the law, so we wouldn't speed like that ever. Literally never, dude. We would never. Oh, look at the dog. Yo, he hears me too. Oh shit. See, that's where we need to take him right there. We need to take Matt to the bridge and to the tunnels. We need to do a full throttle run in the tunnels. It's just too fun. I need to stop doing that for real. For real. Yo, they said it wrong in the directions. It's they said Danese. What the hell is that, dude? It's Dainese. Say it right. Put some respect on Dainese's name. It should be coming up. Damn, hella people here. Oh my gosh. How are we ever gonna make it in here? Oh my god, is that Lauzo on a yellow Fireblade, dude? Hella people here, dog. If you need me to turn the bike around for you, I got you. Got it? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, it's so hot. It is so hot out. How do you know how hot balls feel like? Alright, we popped out to Dainese, about to head inside, go get the stuff that we need, and pop on out. Oh, 25 V4S though. Oh yeah. Oh, V4. Damn, that's so beautiful though. I was supposed to get one of these. I was supposed to trade the Fireblade for a 25 V4. What y'all think, dude? What y'all think? I want to. Huh? After you.
Where did you get the bearings? I painted them.
Damn. You did a good job painting them. Hey, ride safe, bro. Alright, let's do this thing. Alright, we gotta head back to the Airbnb because Matt's bike is leaking a little bit of coolant, so we gotta figure that out tonight. But for now, he's got the Fireblade out here, so he's gonna hop on the Fireblade. We're gonna pop out. But yeah, he's gonna pop out the Fireblade. We want to hit the tunnels. Want to go to the bridge before the Rafa Mez meet tonight. I'm not too sure if any of these are gonna be the same video, but you know, we'll plan it out. Oh, pops on this bike are insane. Yo, this is where I build my boy out of right here. we use Southern bail bonds right there. Traffic, bro. That's the one thing about Dallas, dude. So much traffic at every single time of the day before 7 p.m. It makes no sense to me. And this always braking to get on the goddamn highway. Oh my god, he got f***ed up. That's why there was traffic. Oh, she's a little speed demon, dog. A little speed demon you are. Now go ahead. Go ahead. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. I got nervous. I didn't see you at all. Oh, don't scare me like that. Brother! Yeah, he got that dad bod on him, dude. That's the gas station where Zay got arrested, right there. That's where it's at. At that QT. Unreal, brother. Bro, I just had food like an hour and a half ago, and my stomach is turning, bro. I'm so hungry again. I'm about to have more of your food when I get home. You hear me?
What?
I said I'm about to have more of your food when I get home.
I don't know what you're saying.
Oh my gosh, this pop.
Oh my god, that sounds so sexy.
I know, right? I just, a tear just ran down my leg.
Hard. So hard.
You're hard right now? Can you show me? Oh, she's about to whip it out for me.
I was gonna whip it out for you. Just for you.
Oh my gosh. It's just so
Baby,
fun.
you need to stop doing that. You're gonna run through that tire.
Yeah, I know. I love spending money. I like when it goes sideways though. I don't like when it just stays straight. That's not as fun. Don't be taking pictures of me, brother man. You got your rapist homo thug outfit on.
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh my god, turn right here. I'm so sorry.
Okay, well, I'm not doing that.
It literally told me out of nowhere.
Well, we can turn right here.
No, it's fine. It told me to turn right in a mile, and then it said turn right out of nowhere.
I.
What?
I was saying I.
Hi.
Not high. Because of the bumps.
Oh, I. Say it with me now. Ay papi chulo. Alright, y'all. I'll catch you guys when we're back out riding.